Hey everyone, this is DJ Meyer, and I'm proud to partner with Ready for Masterclass to bring you a DJing trance masterclass for beginners. So what I'm going to do is start by talking about the way trance tracks are structured. We're going to be getting started on an entry-level DJ controller, which is the Pioneer CDJ FLX4. It's about $300, and I'll be showing you the basics of mixing tracks together, and I'll provide a list of some of my own tracks. You'll actually get the files with the course so you can practice mixing along with me. We'll go through phrasing, beat matching, using some effects and things. And then what we'll do is we'll take what we learned there and move on over to the Pioneer CDJs. So what we'll be using is the Pioneer CDJ2000NX2s and a DJM 750 Mark II. So this is pretty similar, pretty standard to what you'd see at most clubs and festivals. And we'll be taking what we learned here in Rekordbox DJ with the DDJ FLX4 and applying it to a full club style setup. We'll go through creating a mix, going over the layout of the CDJs, and pretty much everything you need to know so you can get up and running. But what's really important about this class and what I really wanted to communicate is how trance tracks are structured, how you can actually DJ trance tracks. There's a lot of material about there on how to DJ, how to do certain effects and things, but I'm focusing specifically on trance music, how it's structured, how to mix in and out, how to look for certain things that can fake you out when you're mixing in and out your tracks. So we'll be going through setting hot cues, setting memory cues, using beat jump, a lot of interesting features on the CDJs and on different DJ controllers that I think are especially helpful for DJing trance, like uplifting trance, progressive trance, melodic techno, these sorts of things. So come join me on that course and we'll be having fun and hopefully you'll learn something.